Growing, growing, growing hearts. Dizzy, Izzy, arts and crafts.
Hello, my name is Dizzy Izzy. Welcome to my art space. Today, to celebrate Christmas, we'll be making some Christmas pasta necklaces, but you can make these anytime. And what we'll need is dried pasta in some Tupperware or Ziploc bags, a tray, baking paper, food colouring, and some white vinegar, string and scissors. I've popped some dried pasta in some containers and I've chosen to use rigatoni because it's nice and big so I can put the string through later. I've got some green food colouring and some red food colouring, very Christmassy, but you could use any colours that you want and also any dried pasta that you like, which you could thread some string through. Let's put in some food colouring. I'm going to start with the green, just a little bit to start with. Drop, 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 drop. A few more. There we go. Lid back on. And then put a little bit of white vinegar, just a little drizzle. And this is important, put the lid on. Or if you have a Ziploc bag, make sure it's nice and closed. And for my favourite bit, you can shake it all up. Shake, shake, shake. Upside down, all around. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, look at that green colour. Oh my goodness. Should we look inside? Wow, look at that. Now pour your pasta on the tray. And spread it out, which will make it easier to dry. Lovely. Looks good. Now for the red. So a few drops of red. A few more for luck. Lid on. And a little drizzle of your vinegar. This will help the colour stay on. Lid on. Oh. And ready? Shake, 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 shake. Upside down. All around. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, it's looking so good. So bright. And ready, onto the tray. Spread it out nice and even. There we are. Now all we need to do is let this one dry. Our pasta is all dry and I'm ready to make a necklace. So what you'll need is some string and measure to size. I don't want it too short and I don't want it too long. Measure around your neck. Ooh, I think that's good. And snip the string. Now a little trick. You can tie one of the pastas on the very end and it will be your little stopper. And that will stop all the other pasta falling off. You might need somebody to help you make a knot, and that's okay. There we go. I'm going to make a pattern. I think I'm going to go green, red, green, red. You can get creative and come up with your own pattern. Pasta on the string. Through it goes. Looking good. It's coming together. It's quite relaxing beading. These are going to look very festive on Christmas Day. A little check to see how you're going. Maybe just a few more. There, I think that will be perfect. And then we tie a knot. So string through the stopper end. Always tie an extra knot for luck. You can snip off any extra string that you don't want. Wow, look at that. Ta-da! Now I just need to fit it over my Christmas hat. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It fits. Phew! How does it look? We've come to the end now of our arty adventure. I'll see you next time.
Growing, growing, growing hearts. Dizzy is